You stay on my hand. You stay on my hand, not on my shoulder. Not on mommy's shoulder. Ripley. Ripley. Here, step up.
You're just teaching him to not do it.
You fail, Mom.
No, just here, step up. No, here, step up. Step up. Step up. Ripley. You're not supposed to be on my shoulder. No. Here, step up. Step up. No, not chewing my clothes either. No, 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 no. No. Ripley, give me my shirt. Give me my shirt. Ripley, give me my shirt. Thank you. Here, step up. Step up. You don't go on my shoulder. No, put that down. You don't go on my shoulder. You stay on my hand. Can Ripley stay on my hand?
I can see myself in the mirror.
Ripley. Ripley. Can you stay on Mommy's hand? Here, step up. Step up. Step up. No, no pink nails. Here, step up. Can you step up? Here. Will you step up? Will you get down? Here, get down. Ripley. 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 Here, step up. Beep. Step up. Beep. Will you step down? Here, get down. No, not on Mommy's shoulder. You're supposed to stay down off my shoulder. No.
Nearing 2 minutes.
No. Here. Come here. Ow, Ripley. That's a mole. Ow. That's a mole, Ripley. You're supposed to stay on my hand. Will you stay on my hand? Huh? Can you stay on my hand? Please? You stay on my hand, okay? Can you stay on Mommy's hand?
2 minutes.
Here, step up.
And
Step
cut!
up. Step up.
Scared him, Carly.
Step up. Get down then. Here, get down. Get down. That's a good boy.
Ripley.
Good boy, Ripley. Ripley. Stop it. You can stop.